Hello students, today we start a new topic in a intelligent transportation system module. Topic name is a GIS for transportation. So here all of you know about the GIS. GIS is a geographic information system. So here GIS provide the all the information regarding transportation and here in a GIS we maximize the facility and utility of the transportation system and develop a new public transportation facilities and capability, and at the same time renew the focus has emerged by using the technology and make a urban center more efficient, and in a short time we complete the entire work or we easy the transportation system by using the GIS system. Now GIS become a more widely used in a transportation planning agencies, especially among the metropolitan transportation organization, and in many countries highway maintenance management is become a critical issue, and many more authority are allowable to use the GIS for highway and transportation management, and GIS application are more efficiently and effectively and more economical than with prevailing method. And here fundamental requirement for most transportation GIS is secure the road network, additional information concerning the general topography and land cover and land use in a potential to consideration and impact of construction, and the major requirement and issues surrounding the GIS management technology are building and maintaining the database, and selecting and upgrading hardware and software using the technology to solve the problem, funding network, providing the access and others. Now standard GIS function including the thermodynamic sorry including the mapping, statics, matrix manipulation, decision supporting system, and modeling and algorithm, etc. So here the main advantage of the GIS is ability to access, analyze, and spatially distribute the data with respect to actual spatial location uh, overlaid on a base map, and the area of coverage allow analysis not possible with the other database management system. So here some of the potential application for a GIS in a transportation planning is given. So here list is given. First one is a highway maintenance, second is a traffic modeling, third one is a accident analysis, fourth one is a route planning, and fifth one is a environmental impact assessment of road schemes, sixth one is a executive information system, seventh one is a pavement management system, eighth one is a bridge management, ninth one is a maintenance management, 10th is a safety management, 11th is a transportation system management, its a short form is a TSM, and 11 is a travel demand forecasting, 12th is a corridor preservation and right of way, 12th is construction management, 13 is hazardous cargo routing, and 14 is overview or oversized vehicle permit routing. So here some of the above listed potential applications, some of the explained here. So first we discuss about the planning. So transportation agencies face an some of the challenge in keeping their infrastructure operating smoothly and efficiently. So the world leading the travel demand forecasting package are integrated with GIS technology, helping the transportation for professionals conduct the complex analysis required to plan and transportation system of the future. And second potential application of the GIS is a design. So transportation engineers are discovering the advantages of integrating the GIS into their design process by bringing imagery, elevation and environmental information in a CAD environment, and engineering can continue working with the familiar software with rain access important GIS data. And next application is a traffic engineering. So congestion management program can be most suitable developing in a GIS environment. So GIS based congestion management system can start with the highway based map and attribute database used for long range transportation planning in a urban area. Now another application is a traveler information system. So it's a first application in a ITS, information travel system. So where they design the provide the public with a current information on a traffic condition. So like in a GIS we get the exact data about the traffic, maximum traffic, minimum traffic, smoothest route, without traffic, without any obstruction travel, and in a minimum time. So in a travel information system you get the exact idea about the traffic. Next is a safety management. So accident data with roadway features, characteristic, traffic volume, bridge inventory and other data, and graphical presentation of this information in a environment will be very useful to develop a safety management system. Next is the bridge maintenance. So the major benefit derived from the GIS use will be obtain bridge information through the general query capability, like including the bridge condition survey, uh, sufficiency rating, functional deficiency bridge, and posted capacity distribution, clearness, etc. are some of the checking in a bridge maintenance. And through the relation database, bridge maintenance engineering could be access the important information like average daily traffic as well as the system and functional classification from the planning and research map. Now next application of the GIS is routine analysis of a hazardous material. So GIS is an ideal environment for a routine analysis hazardous material because there requires overlay of many highway networks attribute as well as other database on a individual road segment in order to properly characterize accident and consequence to pollution, population and environment. Now next application of the GIS is environmental management. So here transportation infrastructure management require careful consideration of the environment, and GIS unique capable of assigning the transportation professional in understanding this issue and selecting the most environmentally sensitive solution. Next is construction management. So when the integrated with construction management and financial software, so GIS can help the track the performance of a one or a multiple infrastructure project, and GIS make a wealth of information, and such schedules, estimate and contract easily available from the spatial infrastructure for a project tracking. GIS can help the organization all the relevant information from the survey data, from the survey data like soil survey, then after geographical studies to planning and environmental studies, and engineering drawings. So we get the all the information regarding the construction. We easily collect the data from the construction management. Now, now we discuss on a GPS. GIS is completed. Now GPS is a geographical. GPS is a global positioning system. So here in a global positioning system, GPS offer the increase the efficiency and safety for a vehicle using the highway, streets, and mass transit. So many of the problem associated with the route and dispatch of a commercial vehicle is significantly reduce the estimate with the help of the GPS. And GPS is a automatic vehicle location and in a vehicle navigation system widely used through the world today. And by combining the GPS positioning technology system, it can display the geographic information, or with the system can automatically transit the data and display on a screen. Like in a car, you all of you know about the car GPS. So GPS know the exact give the exact location with all the information. Now combination of the GIS and GPS give the exact location and information of the car. And geographic information system store, analyze, and display the geographically uh, reference information, provide the large part of the GPS. Now today GIS is used to monitor the vehicle location. So here it's the latest technology to to collect the information regarding the vehicle location and making a possible effective strategies and keep transit vehicle on a schedule and information passenger uh, of a prescribed arrival times. Like one of the example, like our BRTS. So in a BRTS you get the exact location and arrival stand directly. uh, all the passenger listen in a speaker and you get the idea about the location. Now next is a vehicle tracking. So in the transportation and logistic business, GPS or GPS technology today extend further than the just a tool to help the driver to navigate from the location. And GPS technology help a full transform and transformation industry, and they are mobile app developer that can hand you advanced GPS vehicle tracking system, and that include the business effectual tool required by your business and customer need. Now here another topic we discuss on this lecture is intelligent transportation system. So it's ITS. So ITS is an example of a GPS application, and GPS can be applied in the following three fields, like automatic vehicle location, second is a general fleet operation, and third one is a dynamic route guidance. So these are the three main field at which ITS information intelligent transportation system is applied. Now the application also include the support emergency vehicle, and for the monitoring of a car, taxis, dangerous or valuable cargoes, truck and railway. So GPS also applied in a following fields. So it's effectively give the position system. So like first one is a advanced traffic management system. So it's a ATMS. Second is a advanced travel information system. So it's a ATIS. Third one is a commercial vehicle operation. So it's a CVO. And last one is a advanced public transportation system. So it's a APTS. So in these four field you exactly use the GPS system. So we discuss on first one is we discuss on a automatic vehicle location. So it's a automatic vehicle location is nowadays it's important give the location like if any emergency vehicle is travel, and this information is totally display on a screen. At the screen is located at a crossroad, so all the peoples and all the drivers are know about the vehicle location. It's a emergency vehicle location, and this AVL give the total information, and we easily clear the road of the for the emergency vehicle. Next is a general fleet operation. So the major benefit of the positioning of the fleet of application is that it makes it possible to send the closest vehicle to dispatch point with consequent saving of fuel and time. So this can be used both for a commercial vehicle operation and also used for the emergency vehicle. And the accuracy required depends on the size of the fleet and total area being serviced. So the fleet operation is a metropolitan area, wide area of covering is sufficient, and for inter-country fleet operation, a positioning system with global coverage satisfy the requirement. And third one is a dynamic route guidance. So here dynamic route guidance system use the real-time traffic information to the road user. So like traffic is that, so highlight by the red color or another color, and give the safest route with minimum traffic information. So like generic GPS aided vehicle navigation system is a odometer. So it is distance sensor that may be mounted singly on in a pair on either the wheel or transmission of the vehicle. And second is a magnetic compass. So it measure the holding of the vehicle, and the most popular electronic compass technology for a land vehicle application use the flux gate principle. And third one is a tilt sensor. So it gives the information about the pitch and roll angles of the vehicle, and it may include the one or more inclinometer. And fourth one is a gyroscope. So it means the rate of change of heading of the vehicle. And last one is the digital maps. So these are the use through the GIS related to mathematical coordination to the location on the street segments and intersection. Now last topic today we discuss is benefits of the GPS. So like first benefit of the GPS is a high level of safety and mobility for all the surface transportation system. Second is a more accurate position determination to provide the greater passenger information. Third one is a more effective monitoring to ensure the schedule, and creating a transit system more responsive to transportation user need. And fourth one is a better location information with electronic map to provide in a vehicle navigation system for both commercial and private vehicle or a private user, and increase the efficiency and reduce the cost of the surveying roads. So these are the main benefits of the GPS. Now in the next lecture we discuss on a navigation system. So today we here stop our lecture, and in the next lecture we discuss navigation system. Thank you.